El Cajas National Park in Cuenca, Ecuador. El Cajas National Park or Cajas National Park is a national park in the highlands of Ecuador. It is located about 30 kilometers west from Cuenca, the capital of the province of Azuay. The area of 285.44 square kilometers between 3,100 meter and 4,450 meter above sea level offers a tundra vegetation on a jagged landscape of hills and valleys. The name Cajas is derived from the Quichua word cassa, meaning gateway to the snowy mountains, or caxa. It has also been linked to the Spanish word cajas, boxes. About 270 lakes and lagoons can be found in the Páramo of Cajas. Luspa is the largest of these lakes and extends over 78 hectares with a maximum depth of 68 meter at a perimeter of 5,161 meter. Like the other lakes, it is of glacial origin, and glaciation shaped the landscape of Cajas, leaving U-shaped valleys and ravines. Cajas provides about 60% of the drinking water for the Cuenca area. Two of the four rivers of Cuenca originate from Cajas, the Tombamba and Yanunque rivers, which eventually drain into the Amazon River. The Pot River also links to the Amazon. As the park straddles the continental divide, its western drainage, the Balao and Can, are linked to the Pacific Ocean. The modern road crosses the continental divide at the Pass Tres Cruces. This section is the most western part of the continental divide of South Americas. Flora. Humidity and high altitude with low atmospheric pressure create an ecosystem that accumulates organic material in the soil that is able to retain water. The high grassland ecosystem contains plants suitably adapted to it, 19 of them endemic to Cajas. The dominant plant is straw grass. Above 3,300 meters the quinua, Polylepis, or paper tree forest can be found. It is in forests such as these that a second protected population of the rare Fuchsia campii, in the Onagraceae family, is predicted to live, as it has also been found in another nearby national park of similar ecological characteristics. In the lower parts of the park, the cloud forest and perennial high mountain forest are present, primarily in the ravines near the brooks and rivers. Animals. The Cajas National Park is home to a large variety of animals, some of which are endemic or highly endangered. Among the most prominent are the South American condor, of which only 80 remain throughout all Ecuador, the curicanga, a large black and white raptor, and the largest hummingbird of the world, the giant hummingbird, which lives only on agave flowers. The violet-throated metaltail is endemic to Cajas and surrounding valleys. The avifauna consists of 157 bird species, making birdwatching an alluring activity for visitors. Overall, 44 mammalian species have been identified in the park. Species include types of possums, cats, and bats. Also there are pumas, coyotes, weasels, skunks, foxes, porcupines, pacas, shrews, rabbits and other rodents. Endemic are the Cajas water mouse that belongs to the group Ichthyomyiinae and Tate's shrew opossum. At least 17 species of amphibians live around the lagoons of Cajas. This includes those of the genera Atelopus, Tilmatobius, Gastrotheca, Eleutherodactylus, and Colostethus. The high variety of amphibians suggests the presence of a diversity of insects, as they are a chief amphibian food source. The area shows evidence of human activities already from the Canary period. This includes 3 interregional roads connecting Guapondalik with the lowlands, including Perdens, a control point for the trade between the highlands and the coastal areas. After the Incan invasion, Inca roads were constructed, incorporating pre-existing roads. 28 archaeological sites have been identified in the park and its vicinity that indicate inhabitation during the pre-Incan and Incan periods. During the colonial time, the vicinity of the area was used for livestock. With the creation of the park, the area has become popular for hiking, climbing, camping, fishing, and birdwatching. Control points are located at the road entries to the park. The park has a refuge hut and can be reached from Cuenca and Guayaquil. A road from Xochitl to San Joaquin touches on the southern border of the park, providing access. Like us and join us at Extreme Collections for more fun and knowledge.